February is Heart Month, and doctors with Ascension St. John are raising awareness on the dangers of heart disease. Fox 23's Alexa Mostrom talked to one doctor to see how they're working to help more heart patients in Bartlesville.
If you have a problem with your heart, seconds can mean the difference between life and death.
When you're dealing with an emergency, every minute counts, especially if it's a heart attack. And so every second that goes by is a second you're not getting treatment. So we want to have the services that are necessary to help someone survive a heart attack right here in our community.
Dr. Anderson Murley at Jane Phillips Medical Center says they don't want the closest help for people in Bartlesville to be in Tulsa.
Whether or not you're 50, 60, 70, 80, travel is sometimes a challenge, and all of these services being here in the community, I think makes a world of difference.
So they're adding more days, appointment times, and heart health screenings to their hospital.
These heart and vascular services have long been here providing care for the community, and we're just growing because the need and technology has allowed us to do this. As it's gotten better, so have we.
Murley says it's important to be aware of the dangers of heart disease. It's the #1 cause of death for men and women in the United States.
The people we really want to touch and reach out to are those who have never interacted with the health system, and make them aware of their risks and where they stand currently with their heart, and maybe take some steps now, proactively, when they're healthy, to maybe prevent that first cardiovascular event. That's our goal with awareness this month.
Murley says anyone who can should get screened. It's quick and done with an ultrasound and CT scan.
Use this to either reassure you or to spark a conversation with your provider to say, hey, I had this abnormal screening test. What should I do?
Prevention is the goal, and Murley says the best way to do that is to get screened and catch any problems as early as possible.
Making time for this is often the challenge, but if you're able to do it, it might just save your life.
If you don't want to get screened in February, you can get a heart health screen anytime all year. Covering news that matters, I'm Alexa Mostrom, Fox 23 News.
Symptoms of heart problems can be different for men and women. Women may experience shortness of breath and sometimes tingling down their arms, while men experience a heavy chest pain like an elephant's on your chest. We do have more information on symptoms and how to get screened in this story on fox23.com.